Push-ups are a core exercise that not only builds strength but also serves as a measure of entire fitness. The number of push-ups you can perform is often used to gauge physical ability and can reveal much about your fitness level, endurance, and even aspects of your lifestyle and health. In this video, we will delve into what your push-up numbers indicate and how they reflect your overall well-being. If you can do fewer than 5 push-ups, it suggests there is considerable room for improvement in your upper body strength. This level is typical among beginners or those who haven't engaged in regular physical activity for some time. It could also highlight potential issues with body weight or a need for better muscle conditioning. It's crucial not to be disheartened, as starting from a low number provides a clear path for progress. Gradually increasing your push-up count can lead to significant health benefits, such as increased muscle mass, improved heart health, and enhanced total condition. Performing between 5 and 10 push-ups is a moderate accomplishment. It indicates a basic fitness level and some upper body strength. People in this range may engage in occasional physical activity but lack a consistent routine. Regular exercise, combining strength training and cardiovascular workouts, can help improve this performance. Additionally, proper nutrition is vital for boosting fitness status. Completing between 10 and 20 push-ups indicates a good fitness level. This range shows a solid foundation of upper body strength and daily physical activity. Individuals in this category often participate in gym workouts, sports, or other physical hobbies. To maintain and improve, it's crucial to challenge your muscles with progressively harder exercises, ensuring continuous adaptation and strength growth. Adequate rest and recovery, along with balanced diet, are essential for sustaining and advancing this exercise capacity, promoting overall health and well-being. Nutrition is key at this stage. Completing 20 to 30 push-ups indicates high wellness and strong upper body endurance, often seen in those with a consistent, well-rounded workout routine. Adding variety, like different push-up types or other bodyweight exercises, helps continue challenging muscles and prevent plateau. Achieving 30 to 50 push-ups demonstrates an excellent fitness level. Individuals in this range typically possess significant arm strength, endurance, and overall physical conditioning. This accomplishment is common among athletes, military personnel, and fitness enthusiasts who prioritize rigorous and consistent training regimens. To sustain and enhance this level, it's crucial to maintain balanced workouts, ensuring all muscle groups are equally developed. Incorporating a variety of exercises, such as different push-up variations and other strength training activities, can prevent muscle imbalances and continue to challenge the body for optimal fitness. Moreover, focusing on flexibility, mobility, and core strength elevating overall performance and reduces injury risk. Performing over 50 push-ups indicates exceptional fitness and upper body strength, typical among elite athletes and bodybuilders. Maintaining this level demands a rigorous routine, balanced nutrition, and adequate recovery. Setting specific goals like increasing push-up numbers or mastering advanced variations continues to challenge and improve muscle strength. The number of push-ups you can do provides insights into total vitality. Research shows a connection between push-up ability and cardio health, with higher counts indicating lower heart disease risks. Push-ups also assess muscle strength crucial for heart function. Moreover, push-up performance correlates with mental health, reducing stress and enhancing resilience. Regular exercise, like push-ups, increases happiness and satisfaction, indicating a positive life outlook for individuals committed to physical fitness. This holistic view underscores the importance of exercise not just for physical strength but for mental welfare and complete well-being. Age and gender significantly influence push-up capabilities. Younger males typically excel with their higher lean and stamina. However, focusing on personal progress is crucial. Setting achievable goals based on your own starting point ensures sustained health and success. Comparisons to others are less relevant than your individual journey toward fitness and health. By setting realistic milestones and consistently challenging yourself, you can achieve lasting improvements in strength and general wellness, irrespective of initial benchmarks or external standards. This approach fosters a sustainable path to personal fitness and happiness. Ultimately, your push-up count offers a snapshot of your current fitness level, focusing on strength and vigor. However, it's important to recognize that overall fitness extends beyond this metric alone. A holistic approach to health includes diverse exercises, a balanced diet, routine medical checkups, and mental well-being practices. These elements collectively provide a comprehensive view of health, addressing physical strength, heart health, nutrition, and emotional harmony. By incorporating these aspects into your lifestyle, you cultivate a well-rounded approach to health that goes beyond mere performance metrics, promoting long-term please and complete joy. In conclusion, your ability to perform push-ups reflects your fitness level, health, and lifestyle. Whether you're starting with just a few or surpassing 50, there's always room for growth and advancement. Consistency is key. Challenge yourself regularly and integrate exercise into your daily routine. Improving your push-up count not only strengthens muscles but also boosts overall health and well-being. To build muscle effectively, it's important to set a daily goal that challenges your current fitness level. Start gradually, increasing repetitions as your strength improves. Incorporate variations like diamond push-ups or incline push-ups to target different muscle groups. Remember to maintain proper form to prevent injury and maximize results. For a step-by-step guide on building muscle through push-ups and personalized fitness advice, click here to learn more. We're here to support your journey to better peak performance. See you soon for more interesting facts about human body.